Skull Monkeys.
Hi, this is Skull Monkeys, and these are from the Day Hike Part 4 on 9/1/21 from Evart, Michigan. I'm going to provide you with some short clips and some stills and some circles and crap and show you some monkeys with skulls. Using the GoPro Hero Session 5Q to pick up what my eyes don't see. What's in the video? The original full version video, I am hiking to get phone service, and when I'm done talking on the phone, I turn the camera back on and start doubling back. And I get by this tree right here, the one that says 1963 on it, and strangely has my initials on it, and looks like there's something in the little hole there. Just beyond that, I got a bunch of junior Sasquatch down there with skulls all over the place. Here, I'll show you. Okay, the first group that I come up on the left, they're cloaking, and they're in the red, and their skull that they have is in the green circle. And this still, you can see several of them on the left and the right. There's at least 3 on the left and a couple on the right. They all have skulls. They're doing their little infrasound thing where they get behind the skull and do their little noises, and they project that skull out with the sound. I know that sounds strange. I have other videos of proof of this, and I'll probably put them all together. But that's what they do. They try to make you feel uncomfortable, and the closer you get to them, the more they cloak, and the more they try to make those skulls glow and project out that skull thing and the sound waves. I have those on other videos also. Now here you can see the closer you get, the skull kind of morphs and changes color along with their hands around it, and just kind of almost disappears along with them behind that little bush right there. They're really good at this stuff. They don't fool me, but boy, are they hard to see. You really got to be looking. And not more than a few yards away, I come up on this second group. If it is a second group, or if they're just moving around trying this trick again, you can see up here on the left, he's hiding behind the tree and he's got his little skull, and he's doing this little scare the human trick that doesn't work because I like skulls. And this still far straight ahead in the orange, there's some other subjects there in the trees that are barely visible. On the left in the green is the main subject with his little toy skull. No, the real skulls. They're probably skulls of their own kind. When you get really close to them, you notice the eye sockets are really huge. They're bigger than a human. Okay, on the red, on the right, the first circle, you can kind of see the effects of what they do with the skull. It kind of distorts everything and gives it a Wendigo kind of look. And the second red circle, there's another one kind of holding another skull there too, but they're all cloaking. That's part of their trick. You don't see them, you just see the skull. Here's another still with the main subject with his little skull and the green on the left. And on the right, you can see more of the effect they try to portray of the... It's kind of a Wendigo looking effect. I mean, if you see it out of the corner of your eye and you only see these things for a second, and that's their point, you're going to see something really strange like that. It's bizarre, I know. I'm learning this stuff for the first time now too, but I have so many samples of them doing this. I think they're just trying to scare me away, and it really doesn't work. It's doing the opposite. Okay, this is a video clip of the first group, and I'll have a little slow motion in the beginning with a circle so you can know exactly where to look. Got it. Okay, now here's some enhanced stills of the same video you just watched so you can get a better look at them, and I added a little bit more color so you can see the variations of them versus, well, they're hard to see. They're cloaking, little bastards. Okay, this is the video of the second group that I come along, and I'll have a little bit of slow motion with some circles in the beginning so you can get an idea where they're at. And these are the enhanced stills that go with the second group. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.